Today is another Superstar Sunday. The team down the allotment are getting together to fix the well. Let's go see.
Good morning and welcome to sunny Sunday at the allotment. Thought I'd walk down. There's Liz and Julian's plot looking very nice. And William and Gemma. This is Graham's. He's having a good sort out. This is where our greenhouse was. And then we have Jan and Paul. Look at Paul's onions. They're super. And then the greenhouse over the back is Ben and Em. This front bit is half a plot of Jan and Paul's. And then we have Christian and Charlotte. And Luigi and Glyn. And the one with the pretty bunting is Stacey and Ian. The greenhouse down the bottom, that's David's. And of course we've got roses there. And our well, which brings us to our reason for being down here on a sunny Sunday morning. So as I've shown you before, this is our old well. And it's a bit the worse for wear now. I mean, this needs a new post here. The pump stopped working, so we're going to take it apart and have a clean up. Christian, bless him, has volunteered to go down the well to clean out the silt down the bottom. I'm not sure how much you can see down there, but we have a good amount of water down there because we've had no rain for weeks and weeks and weeks, and then last night we had a wonderful downpour, which was great for the allotment, but sod's law, it was the day before Christian's going down, so we've come down early and Nikki's getting water out of the well, and Rose is just putting it in some water butts just to not waste it, you know, rather than just tip it on the ground. So that's what we're doing, and you know, eventually it will all be made safe, because as you can see it's not very safe. But when you can usually see a black I think it's like an old mushroom tray there type of thing that's blocking a lot of rubbish getting into, not acting like a large scale filter, and that is completely submerged. So the rain did well. It's only a runoff well, so it's not too deep. So we'll crack on with emptying this and come back when the other two chaps are here. So the chaps came down and helped to empty, and this is as far as we've got. You can see it's ever so silty. The ladder's now in place, and Rosie's just getting ready to go down.
I'm not going down, Christian is.
Yeah, Christian's just getting his wellies on Nick's wellies, and Nick's just cleared the long bed because we're going to put the silt on there, and that might
Not all
help the soil, help the weeds, kill off everything that's in there. We don't know.
Right. Long milk, right, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's two sort of wedged together.
Yeah, I think it's an old Bernie bodgy. Very good at it, Bernie was.
Let's get the bucket through that. Right.
It's got a brick in it.
That was a brick as well. That is just
Sludge. Oh, let's hope this is good for the soil.
Probably is clay.
So that was the filter that was stopping the silt coming up the pump. And Rose, do you want to make some clay pots?
Okay.
No, I was joking. I'm glad that you're game though. But yeah, let's
On your head, Rose.
Ah! It splattered me all the way over here.
Don't do anything with it.
Clean.
Don't do anything with it.
What a trooper.
Careful.
Well, that looks
Over in it.
a lot better than it was.
And it looks a lot muckier.
You must need something finer to
track.
wrap it in, don't you? Just filter it out a bit more.
Now they're putting a pair of tights on the filter just to stop any finer silt. Hopefully it'll work, give an extra layer of protection. But that really was very full up.
It might do something. Keep a bit of the silt out.
There's another bit of the well gone. See how much we can cut back now. Rosie's having fun with the silt.
You see that bike?
Allotment Spa facial mask. £20 a little pot. What do you think, Rose?
More like 10.
It's a good colour. We'll put some lavender oil in it. We can double the price.
Yeah. Cutting back the bush.
Yeah, just cutting it back. There's a buddleia in there, and lots and lots of brambles. We didn't want blackberry this year anyway.
David's pulling the whole tree down.
That's okay, he's getting some really big bits out of there. There's Graham making sure the holes are good enough to receive the new posts. Oh look, here's a sight for sore eyes. Offer the workers first.
Do you want a thick pair of gloves?
That would probably help actually. I could just shove them over this.
We very kindly filled the hole up for Christian.
I know. Put the trousers down.
There's your
They've done a lot of
right, so we rake all that
chopping back.
away first.
Yeah, it's only going
So it falls back. So it
Get rid of a
falls
lot
back
of
in,
brambles.
rather than falling back in,
do it once. Everyone do it once.
It was getting unsafe. There was far too many there. We've got 2 new posts in, or 3 new posts.
Glass.
And Christian is just going to clear out some more of the silt. Now we've moved the ladder.
Let me just dump you, Lord of the Allotment.
You got it.
I want that title, thank you very
Yeah,
much.
it's yours now.
Good.
That's your
Yeah,
trophy.
you better take it home with you. Frame it.
How deep this thing goes?
Oh, well, yeah.
Wow.
That was there, yeah.
What's it made of?
It's wood, it's a stick.
Oh, it's just a stick.
It's just a big old...
This mystery that we've been looking at
Okay.
is a stick.
Oh, bless you. What's it made of?
Wow.
Big hole down there.
Yeah, so it wasn't a plug.
So
Well, I
a
got out
plug.
there pretty quickly, I'm not going to lie.
Yeah.
If I pulled that out, it's holding it all together. Put that back.
Wow.
Everyone's going to miss that.
So Christian is now Lord of the Allotment.
Thank you very much. That'll do.
That's in there a fair way. Oh, that's as far as you're going to get it.
Right, here we are with an update. We've put this piece of fence up. That's nice and safe. And David's got his head down the well.
Yeah,
Probably going to fall then.
Oh,
Probably.
Better view.
he's doing his tights up.
Yeah.
he's doing his tides up.
Oh, look at me.
Avert your eyes. So that's the filter. All cleaned out. That was full up with gunk.
That was probably the problem.
That's amazing.
Yeah, the guys have tested the pump in a bucket of water and it worked.
Yes, it works there.
We haven't
now
even.
we need rain to see where it really works.
Oh, we can go and get Ben to put the hose down. He said he would.
He was up on a scaffold just now doing his whatever.
Yeah.
With his father.
He said he's in all day.
What he's up to, I don't know.
Is his dad's name Pete?
Peter, yeah.
Yeah, I thought it was.
Peter Collins.
I was trying to remember. I thought that's what it was.
Yeah. Well, Ben's my sort of, I don't know, some relation. You might get a scratch. Oh, he's placing it there. It's not in the middle. It's not in the middle. Not in the middle.
Fine, it's beautiful.
Well done, David.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
that's to do this.
Right.
Now you can't get out, can you?
Shall we?
I live here now.
Yeah.
No, you don't.
So
Right, hang on, we got a nail on the pump. Yeah.
got to nail the pump and nail the end of the tin, I
And then
think.
we can test it.
Oh, no,
when
it's
he
now.
turns his...
Shall we ask Ben to put the hose down there? No.
Lord Wells can come. I think it's primed enough actually.
Right, that's filled up. So
Hold that, Rose.
our very own Lord Wells is going to try the pump. Oh, let me come round this side.
Water still.
Yeah.
Yeah. Over the bathtub, Rose.
Yeah.
Yay!
Oh no. That's alright, just a few bits coming out.
It'll clear through.
Yeah, it's probably already stuff that was in there, I'd imagine.
There we go.
Awesome. Well done, everybody.
Lovely.
Good, are we happy?
Yeah.
Now that it's all fixed, we're really proud of our team for fixing the well. It works really nice now. It's begun to rain and I heard a couple of rolls of thunder. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!